I'm still giving quality work, but for my pictures, I enhanced them. That's it. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Haley J here. For those of you who are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video is the long awaited. A lot of people have been asking me for this video, so here it is. And as y'all have seen in the title, it is how I edit my photos. Super simple. Like, y'all gonna be like, girl, that's it? That's it? It really just depends on what the photo is. I'm just gonna get straight into it. I typically use my phone. I have the iPhone 11 Pro, I believe. My recent thumbnail, I put it here on the screen. These are pictures straight from my phone. Sometimes I do use my camera that I'm filming on now, which is my Canon 80D, but for the most part it is my phone camera, and I just use apps to kind of enhance them a little bit. So first things first, I like to go into Face app, and this literally like tweaks the pictures for you. Like, it just enhances the whole face. So these are the photos that I have used, but I'm gonna go into that last picture, basically that thumbnail that y'all have seen here. So we're gonna pick this picture. So this is the original picture before any edits right here. So the only thing that I like to do, the impression, basically those are already like presets of the different kind of like enhancements you can do to the face. So what I like to do, depending on the look I go for, I either go to Hollywood 2, which is a more softer look. It's not as dramatic. It just kind of like softens the face. Like, did y'all even see that? Like, it's very like subtle. So that's the before, that's the after, before, after. It really just slims the nose and brightens up the under eye just a little bit more, but it's not a big difference. But when I like to go like real dramatic, like, ooh, make it pop, like for thumbnails and things, I go to Passion, and it's usually Passion 3. That's usually what I do. So it darkens and deepens the contour. So the nose contour got darker, and it really darkens and intensifies the lashes. So let me try to zoom in on her face a little bit. So this is before, after, before, after, before, after. So it just intensifies around the eyes. It intensifies the contour on the nose, things of that nature. Now you can kick it up a notch if you want to. Like, we can go to 4 and 5 if y'all want to. So this is 4, and that's really like, oh, but it's like, it's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. Just, I don't know. But I typically just go to 3, just depending on the look. And this is 5, which is like, dang, like we done took it up all the way. Like, it even like changed her eye color a little. It did change her eye color. It changed her eye color. But I don't do that. I just do 3 because I do want the contour to be just a little bit more intense. Because for social media, you gotta make things pop. You have to make it very dramatic and like make people want to look at it. So the girls are just used to seeing edited pictures. They think that they're not edited, but the pictures that you like are edited, babe. Sorry to tell you, it's an edit. Her skin is not that smooth. Apps are being used, and I am a girl that uses apps, but I'm still giving quality work, but for my pictures, I enhance them. That's it. So that's basically all I do. Like, that's all that I do. For my before and after pictures, I don't have a before and after picture for that, but for my before and after pictures, I use Pixar. And that's just for my collages when I'm putting stuff together. So for example, for the thumbnail, what I did was I go to grids, and I find the pictures that I want. So these are, I think these are the 2 pictures that I use. This one and that one. Boom. So from here, I go to border. I don't like any of the borders showing. I just wanted the 2 pictures to be together like this. After this, I go to my ratio because I want it to fit into YouTube's thumbnail format. So I just click this YouTube right here, and you don't want the pictures to be so far away like this because it'll be far away like up on the screen. So you want to kind of zoom in and get it as close as you kind of like possibly can, so that it'll pop when it's on somebody's like recommended page or whatever the case may be, and just position it however you want it. And then for this one, I really zoomed in to her face like so, and I took it that way. I angled it like that. Like, how bomb. Like, that shit is so bomb. That shit is so bomb. I'm sorry if I'm loud, but how cute is that? like with that one app enhancing everything, basically doing everything for you, and you just make it cute. Like I could have put 2 of them side by side. I could have did three of them side by side. I could have removed the background. Like, okay, I guess we could just get into some examples of what the thumbnail could be. So boom, this is example number 1 of what the thumbnail could have been. Example number 2, we could have done something of the nature of just them being side by side like this, right? Make it more even. That could have been thumbnail number 2. Number 3 would have been a little bit more work. So for any of my flyers or like thumbnails, anything that has to do with like fonts and words and just making it cute, what I use is Canva. And Canva has it all. Canva has the templates. They already have pre-made templates that you can just go in and edit and tweak, change font, change color, and play around with it. And you don't really have to start from scratch unless you want to. But here we're gonna do and you can actually just type in whatever it is you're looking to make. So I already have here YouTube thumbnail, and they have all of these different thumbnails that you can use and you can tweak. But this is, you could tell like this is, people don't know what the YouTube thumbnails really look like, because this is not nothing anybody would really want to use, I feel, but that's not the point. So I'm just gonna start from scratch here, and I'm going to get the pictures that I want. So I need to upload pictures from my phone. So here, and maybe that one, that'll be fun. Okay, so add these pictures. I didn't mean to add that one. We're gonna take that one, we're gonna put them all into the thumbnail, but we don't want the background, we just want her face on here. So you're gonna click on it, you're gonna press effects, you're gonna do background remover. You do have to have Canva Pro to have this tool. Like, this is the only reason I bought Canva Pro, was to be able to remove backgrounds. So I'm gonna do that for all of the pictures and then kind of align them however I would like. Now from here, they're still like in the shape of that picture, the background is still gone, so you can crop if you need to, just so you can just customize it. Like, it's all about customizing here. So I can make this bigger here, can really show her arms, we can do that. What else can we do? We can do something of this nature, bringing her here, and we can bring her here. Like, it's just so much you can do, whatever you feel, however you want to make it cute, like you could just do that. That can be another option for a thumbnail, or you could just really zoom in on the face like that. That's the next one. That looks good. That looks really good. I don't know if I like that picture, probably because it's not edited and you can kind of like tell, but I don't think I like her mouth like that. So we're removing that, and then you can hit that, boom, and then we can take the background and we can change the color of the background as well. And we can do like a pink background. So you go to color and you go pink. Or you could do, I mean, you just play around. Like, it's literally playing around, whatever you like, whatever looks cool to you. I think that'll be cute. And just bring her hair down just a little bit. And I like that. It's giving very much model. And that can be the thumbnail. And then you can add whatever text you want. And they have so many fonts on Canva, like, it's ridiculous. But if you don't see a font on here that you like, you can go to thefont.com, and that is like where all the fonts lie, and you can just download them, and boom, you got your font. But all of that techie stuff can be in another video if y'all want to know about like just all of that, because it's a lot. Like, it's not a lot, but it's just like, it's options out here for you if you need them. But anyways, I'm just putting here natural glam. Boom, you can't really see that, so I'm going to change the font. That'll be cute. But these are like all of the fonts, y'all, and these right here are the fonts that I have uploaded, these 3 right here, but I never even really use them anymore. That's not the point. So, and y'all know, y'all wonder how the girls get like the little bubbles behind their words. So this is what you do. You click on your font and you press affix. You slide all the way over to background, and that creates a background for you. And then you can edit the background even more. So you just click the little like lines in there. You can change the roundness. You can make it more square. You can make it super round. You can make it bigger. You can make it less, and you can make it like more transparent. So I see a lot of the girls, they do transparent like this, and you can change the color. So you can do freaking gray, or you could do brown like you got on there. You could do black, but that won't work because the words are black. Blue, like it's literally up to you. And that's all you do. I mean, I don't want to move that. I want to move this. And boom. And that can be an option, which I would try to tweak it more, but it just, you know, thumbnails are work. I want y'all to know that thumbnails are work if you really like want to make something. If like with me, mine could be more simple because it's just like face. But like if you want to add words and text, it's like, does the text look cute? Ooh, do these colors look? It's just like you really